What's going on, guys? It's your man Jay, and this is the camera review for the Samsung Galaxy S10e. You know, I got to tell you, this is probably the best set of cameras that Samsung has ever done on a phone that they produced. The front camera, this is the best. I mean, 4K on the front camera is rare these days. You would think it would have been here a long time ago, as all the cameras they're putting on phones. But Samsung came correct. They came correct. And I give props where props is due. This is the front camera. It's not a sunny day out. It's kind of a gloomy day right now. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning though. But the sun will come. No, it's supposed to be sunny later. Yeah, this is the front camera, and I think it's very impressive right now from what I can see. Now, some of you guys asked, why don't you upload in HDR plus? Well, here's the truth is, you can only do that at 1080p. Like not just regular 1080p. That option can only be turned on at that point. And I don't really shoot at 1080p that much. And if I do, I shoot at 60 frames per second. So bear that in mind if you wanted to turn on HDR and post some HDR videos. I wish that they would just come correct when they're announcing all this stuff and say it's only available in 1080p or it's only available in 720, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I wish they would just do it like that. But this is the rear camera. Obviously, this is beautiful here. Very beautiful. The camera does shoot at 4K at 60 FPS, which is just stunning. You can turn on the option for HDR plus, but when you do that, the switch says when needed. So the phone will try to enhance only when needed, or it feels like it needs it. So that's something to keep in mind when you're deciding to record in 4K at 60 FPS. This footage is just stunning. I can't wait to compare this next to the Pixel 3. I say the Pixel 3 takes the best photos. Video is probably not top notch. I think the iPhone holds that title for video footage, but along came Samsung, and I'm thinking this is probably a heck of a lot better. And I will be comparing it to the rear cameras on the iPhone too, for 4K 60 FPS. So for right now, I think this is fair to say that the phone definitely takes good photos. When I do these camera reviews, I don't post very many photos. I just focus on the video, and that's what I would use the phone for. And it does have unlimited 4K recording now, 4K at 60 FPS at that. Yeah, it has unlimited 4K. Somebody asked me, did it do it? And I said, oh yeah, it does. You can catch that car going by. It's just beautiful, man. This is a beautiful thing. 4K 60 FPS. Here, yet another phone that I could possibly use for a YouTube channel if I didn't, wait a minute, Mopar, the Brotherhood. If I didn't have a DSLR, and this was my only source of recording, here's another phone that can do it. You know what I'm saying? So keep that in mind for people that want to start a YouTube channel. Sometimes you just have to pick the right phone if that's all you're going to be using. You know, you can edit and do everything on your phone. Once again, shout out to my Project 13 because he does everything on his phone. Mad respect. Me and him have spoken about that years back, and I just couldn't. I said, I don't know how you do it, man. And he is a master at that. Not just him, but people. It's mating season for mosquitoes where I'm at right now, and these things are everywhere. In my backyard, man, I just stopped going back there for now because they are just, if you take one step in the grass, they just shoot up 100 of them and attack you. And they're all like 2 or 3 of them back there mating at one time together all over the walls. It's crazy. Anyway, Galaxy S10e. This is awesome. 4K content, 60 frames per second. I'm probably going to downscale it just to make the video produce faster. I hate, in 4K on YouTube is horrible, man. It takes forever. All right, guys. I'm out after the school bus. School bus gone. I'm out. It's your man Jay.